Eva? Eva, can you hear me? Eva? Please answer. Max, where exactly is your sister? Eva, please pick up. Where are you? Eva, please.
My daughter is missing. She's 7 years old, wearing a bright yellow shirt. We'll search every section of the beach.
Attention, everyone. We're looking for a missing child. Please help us locate them.
Please, we'll accept any help. It's getting dark, Sophia. Where could she possibly be?
I saw a little girl walking toward the shops a while ago.
Good morning, everyone. Who's excited for the beach today?
Me! I want to build the biggest sandcastle ever!
Sandwiches, fruit, crisps, and your favorite cookies are all packed. And Eva, remember what Dad always says. If you ever get lost, stay in one place.
Wait a second. I'm almost at the final level.
Time to put the phone away, buddy. We're leaving in 10 minutes.
Just one more minute.
Max, please help your sister carry the beach toys.
Okay. Coming. Will you build sandcastles with me later? Of course. Just let me finish this game first.
One day you'll realize some moments are worth more than any game.
La la la, we're going to the beach today.
This spot looks perfect.
Max, look! Dolphins! In a minute.
Sunscreen first.
My sandcastle is going to be the tallest one on the whole beach.
Who wants to play?
Not now, I'm busy. Leave me alone. Almost got it. Yeah. Mom, can I get an ice cream? No! Yay, thank you!
Can you keep an eye on your sister while she walks over there?
Okay, Dad, I will. Yeah, I've got her. I'll check this really quickly. Ice cream, yummy, yummy.
Alex, have you seen where Eva is?
I thought she was with Max. Max! Oh, where's your sister?
She was here just a minute ago.
Here. Oh no! Where did she go? She's gone!
Eva! Eva? Eva?
We need to search everywhere! Our daughter is missing! She's only 7! We need to split up and look! Quickly!
This is my fault. I should have been watching her.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Does anyone see him?
Check behind the huts!
Over here, near the path. Keep calling his name.
You've lost someone. Maybe I can help. We don't even know you. My name is Mr. Mason. I've driven along this coastline for over 30 years. I know every road around here.
Wait. This morning, Eva borrowed my phone to take a family selfie at breakfast.
It shows a playground a few streets away.
Everyone, get in! Hurry, hurry! Don't worry, we've got plenty of room. Let's go!
Can we go any faster?
The location dot just moved. Please be safe, Eva.
But nobody's here. There's a security camera on that lamppost.
I saw a little girl walk toward the corner shop. Are you looking for a little girl wearing yellow? She's in the back.
Yes. Oh, thank goodness.
She came in soaking wet. She told me her dad taught her to stay in one place if she ever got lost, so she waited here very patiently.
I think that's my family. Oh, it is. It's them. Mom! Dad! Max!
You're safe. Thank goodness. I missed you, Sophia.
I'm so sorry, Eva. I wasn't paying attention. It's okay, Max. It's okay. You found me. No more distractions. Family comes first.
How about we finally build that sandcastle together?
This is the best sandcastle we have ever built together. Look, it's done! Wow, you did it!
You haven't looked at your phone even once today.
It can wait. Moments like these can't. I'm really glad you came to find me.
Me too, Eva.
I missed you.
All right, everyone, squeeze in close. Everybody smile. Got it. Now wave.